Hey everybody, it's the Mobile Home Mama, also known as Christina, standing outside a 16 by 66. We call this home the Ockley. Let's talk about the outside. Okay, this is going into a park because we raised the starter strip here. That means the skirting will start here. They'll start the starter strip and then the skirting will be attached to that. Underneath here, let's see what we got. Okay, we got to talk about this, okay? If you do drywall, it's included, or it's an optional feature to put OSB wood underneath the siding. They've been building them this way standard since the beginning of time. Not just Champion, everybody does it, okay? This is called Stormboard sheathing. If I look closer, it's a good product. I'm not saying there's anything wrong with it because it definitely does the trick. But if we're talking energy efficiency, and if you're building my home, I want 7/16 OSB underneath there. Let's go next door and see if this home has it. Because it's important. It's a couple $1,000, but I'm telling you, it changes your heating bills and it'll pay for itself. There you go. OSB versus Stormboard sheathing. Please, 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 if you're gonna build a house, make sure you do OSB there. We've got Pier savers underneath, and when we look underneath of here, that's what a Pier saver is. You can see it right there, and what that does is reinforces the door, and that means that you will not be required to put piers. Typically, it's 2 piers under each door for support, and that will save you about $500 per door. This option is just a couple $100, so you're gonna save some money that way. And call me, come see me here at the factory, and I can help you design your home, and I'm going to tell you the things that are worth the money and the things that are not worth the money to put in your home. All right, let's step inside and see what we got. The Ockley is a special floor plan. You either love it or you hate it, okay? I had some customers here today. We took one walk in, and it wasn't for her because this home is famous for its galley kitchen. Kitchen up against the wall, but it is also famous for the best taco bar in town. Imagine chips and salsa, sour cream, cheese, nacho cheese, beans, lettuce, all the things that go on the taco bar. I want to talk colors because there's an interesting thing in here. This is Casper Kashmir. This is a VOG panel that's 3/8" drywall with a vinyl backing that has benefits. 1, it's standard. Not going to cost you any extra. 2, very easy to clean. This is vinyl, so easy to wipe off. And then those are the 2 benefits. On the floor, this is a new pattern. We're right at that time of year. If you've been hanging out with me for a while, you know we're about to have the Louisville show where we reveal the new things for the next year. And this might be one of the lino patterns. I don't know. I've seen it in a couple of homes, so that may be the case. Let's talk about the light up there because we have can lights that are standard in the home. However, if you're going to do a wire brace switch, that means the bracing for a ceiling fan, we're gonna leave lights where they're applicable. So don't be surprised if you see a little globe light in your home. You're going to say, well, Christina, you said the can lights. Yes, I did say that. But if we got a wire brace switch, we're going to put a light there. So here we go down the Galley Kitchen. Classic black and white colors. I love it, especially with this floor because it took a little bit of creamy brown to change the looks of things, but I like it. And then also they did the overhead cabinet above the refrigerator, like it, and then an appliance package. So microwave, dishwasher, 20.5 with an ice maker. One of the things about the Ockley that people also love is it does have its own dining room. A lot of people will put a stretch right here actually to get some more counter and cabinet space. That's very common. And the thing about the dining room is it's always going to come with a 30 by 36 window. Here's the back door. This has an optional reverse aisle. That means both doors are on the same side. On the other side of that wall is the living room, and there's a door over there as well. Coming in the back door, no matter which side the door is on, you're going to walk right into the washer dryer area. All right, furnace is over here too. Make sure to add a furnace door. Otherwise, this is going to be wide open. You're going to see the furnace and you're going to hate it. All right, coming into the primary bedroom. Here we go. Nice size bedroom with a great big 46 by 61 window. That's your egress window. And then here's your closet. Yes, thank you. Primary bath. Nice and simple in this area. And then this customer has added a walk-in shower. All right, heading back to the other end of the home. I can't walk too fast because I might fall on my face. Going down the hallway. Well, I hope you guys had a great turkey day. I sure did. So grateful and thankful. Thankful for you guys. Thankful for Champion Homes. Thankful I get to come to work every day. That's bedroom 2, by the way. And love, love, love what I do. Bedroom number 3. Oh, you may want to see a closet. Here's one. Hey. Yes. Bedroom 2 is going to have the same closet. And then here we go with the second bath. Standard tub shower combination. All the hardware is black. You're going to see that, and that's standard faucet, standard everything. Hi. Hello. There you go. There you have it. Perimeter heat also. Just notice that little baby sticking there. 16 by 66 Ockley. Call me. Set an appointment. Let's go through some homes. Crawl through some homes. We've got some homes on display. As always, thank you for watching.